So what we're looking at here is the mucosa layer of the stomach slide. And this is under low power. And so up at the top of this, these openings here that you're seeing all over the place, those are the gastric pits. And this structure here, and you can see this one is branching out here and here, those are the gastric glands. And they secrete a bunch of different kinds of enzymes. So the gastric pit is its opening to the gastric gland. All right? So if we move down into this region here, so moving down here, this region right here is the submucosa. So this above that, that is still part of the mucosa and it ends right there. This is submucosa, and you might be able to tell, but this is a blood vessel, this is a blood vessel, this is a blood vessel. So the submucosa has a lot of blood vessels in it. The layer below that is the muscularis layer. So that is the muscularis externa down here. And this has three parts on it on the stomach. The very top layer of the muscularis externa is the oblique layer. So this is the oblique layer. Now there's nothing that really identifies it separately from the next layer, which is a circular layer, other than the oblique layer is right next to the submucosa. So if we just move this slide down a little bit here, if we move it down a little bit, you know, these regions here and here and here are the circular layer. So you're right in the middle of the muscle layer. As you can see, the muscle layer is fairly big. And then if we move all the way down to the bottom here, this is the edge of the stomach wall. And this right here is the serous layer. So this is the serous serosa. So the serous membrane or serosa. This layer, you can almost kind of see this line here. This is the longitudinal layer here. This is still circular here. Longitudinal is right next to the serous membrane.